top solution for transports. On Mini models with roof rails, you can mount mini railing carriers as a base for different roof luggage systems. Clean the roof rails before fitting the railing carriers. The sticker on the carriers shows their correct position. Start by mounting the front railing carrier. Loosen the hand wheel until the fastening claws are completely opened. Position the center of the support exactly on the markings on both roof rails. Turn the hand wheel on one support foot clockwise to attach the fastening claw loosely, for now. Get to the opposite side. Tighten the fastening claw until the clicking sound signals that it's fixed. Now turn the hand wheel further and push it into lock its position. Proceed likewise on the opposite side. And repeat the whole process for the rear railing carrier. Make sure to use the marked position on the roof rail here too. Fixing the railing carriers in the correct position is essential for traffic safety and to prevent damage to your Mini or to the roof carrier system. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your Mini.